Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by prepping the scene and launching Photoscan. Place the print on a flat, stable surface. Once done, wipe the lens and make sure lighting is even to reduce glare. Open the app and allow camera and storage permissions. This is necessary so scans save correctly. Tap to start a new scan, align the photo inside the on-screen frame, and hold the device steady. Move slowly. This first capture sets the foundation for quality stitching and cropping later. Now you focus on capturing accurate points. Tap the center to take the first exposure, then follow the four corner guides. Move the phone so each white dot aligns with its target. Keep your hands steady and use short breaths or a small tripod to reduce blur. Make sure each corner capture completes before moving. Wait for the processing ring. Once all points are recorded, the app stitches images. This creates a single corrected photo, so precise alignment matters for sharpness and perspective correction. Finish by inspecting the stitched image and saving only when satisfied. You can crop, rotate, or tap Enhance to boost clarity, make manual exposure and color tweaks for an exact match. Once saved, the original scan sequence is kept so you can rescan if needed. If the result is blurry or glare appears, retry, diffuse the light, change the phone angle by 1/4 to 1/2, or use a polarizing filter. These fixes usually eliminate remaining artifacts and restore detail.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.